Hey everyone, this is an exciting video, and I'm going to be covering Miguel O'Hara, the character who is voiced by Oscar Isaac, and this is from the new Spider-Man movie, and it looks amazing. I can't wait to see it. The Spider-Man 2099 of Earth 928, that's the character, and basically, I'm really excited about this because it's an amazing haircut that is inspired by awesome texture, awesome animation, and some of these images you're going to see here are, I've even got some like drawings that some people have done because I haven't really found too much on Google as far as images of the character themselves. But the first thing is, if you notice, he's got those flips going on throughout the sides. How do you get those flips? Well, a lot of it is done by, having the hair a little more thinned out throughout the ends and utilizing a round brush, like my TikToker 2-inch round brush would be perfect for this, to blow dry up and flip the hair upwards. You can also use your fingers. So this is once again where tidal wave I think works well because it's going to give you that texture. You need to have the hair razored, a bit more thinned out to be able to manipulate the hair more. If it's too thick, if it's, this is ideal for someone who's got pin straight hair but a ton of hair. So you can get that volume throughout the top, you can get those flipped up pieces, and it basically just use your hands as a styling tool where you can just, take the hands from underneath and rake it up. I even have videos on how to flip the hair up on the ends. So you can just search that on YouTube and just type in TheSalonGuy. But the key to this really is to have the right length. If you were to pull this all straight down, it would easily be covering the ears. So you have to have the right length, and also on top probably comes down to like maybe the bridge of the nose. So you have to have the right length. You have to have the right hair texture. I think something like a combination of tidal wave and maybe my crafted matte pomade would work for the top. But this is something that I would not suggest just going into a random barber for this. This is something that I would show these images, download them on Google, show them to a hairstylist, and make sure that they can achieve this themselves and then show you how to do it. So if you want to see any more characters from this movie, let me know. And don't forget, use code YouTube20, that's YouTube20 at shop.thesalonguy.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.